Start by filling a cast iron skillet or Dutch oven with about 2 inches of your favorite frying oil. Heat to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare your vegetables and/or meat for frying. This tempura batter is great for just about anything you want to coat and fry. Use potato starch to coat your cuts. I find it is quicker and more effective to dip each piece, especially my coins, individually, but if it works for you, it may be easier to sprinkle and toss. Cornstarch can also be used here, or this step can be skipped if needed. The use of starch over flour keeps the gluten low, which helps yield a crispy end result. It also absorbs any extra moisture and helps the batter stick to whatever is being fried. Once your vegetables are prepared, it is time to mix the batter. Mix roughly 225 grams of cold sourdough discard with 120 grams of carbonated water, straight from the fridge. Cold ingredients and a light mix are important to helping inhibit additional gluten formation, which could cause a chewy and oily end result. After the batter is mixed, use it right away. Prepare your working surface with a skimmer and wire wrap. Dunk the vegetables or meat into the batter and immediately transfer to the hot oil. Fry 1 to 3 minutes at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or until the batter is lightly golden and everything is cooked through. Flip halfway through frying. Make sure your pieces do not stick together. If you notice this happen, be sure to separate the pieces before they are finished frying for best results. Drain everything on the wire wrap. Season with fine salt and/or other seasonings of choice. Serve fresh for the best taste and crispness. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.